Hey everyone, do you want to learn how you can start making $1,000 per day? If so, stick with me for just a few minutes. I'm going to show you step by step how you can start doing that today. Start implementing strategies I'll show you on this video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Austin. We talk about all things entrepreneurship and making money online on this channel. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button for me to help the algorithm, and let's go ahead and dive into this computer. I'm going to show you the super simple strategy that will work for you even as a complete beginner and worldwide. So you don't need any tech skills, you don't need any software, you don't need anything except some Wi-Fi and a computer. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that. So as you can see right now, I have Google pulled up. Everybody should know what Google is. So what we're going to do here is we're going to search for a business, and we're going to bring that business a value. In turn for bringing them value, we can possibly get compensated, and I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. So let's just search right here. I'm going to search for, and you can search for any sort of business, like it could be a chiropractor, right? Chiropractor in Houston, Texas. It doesn't matter if you put a city, a state, what have you. It could be fence building. It could be dentists. It could be doctors. It can literally be any business you can think of that would want more business. Our goal is to find somebody that wants more business that just maybe isn't getting as much as they can handle or they could use. So when you see right here on Google, you'll see a bunch of what they say ads. These companies understand the power of advertising. And as you see, they're the very first things that pull up on page 1 of Google, which is very, very powerful. Even outside of the ads though, you'll still see a bunch of other companies on page 1. So this is crucial to being successful on the internet. And the reason I say that is because how many times do you go to Google and scroll down past all of these and go to page 2 or page 3 or page 4? Very, very unlikely. Most people go to YouTube or go to Google, and they search for what they want, and the very first few things, they're relevant to their search terms. Thus, they click on those and they seek that out for whether it be business, whether it be a chiropractor, whether it be a kitchen remodel. They're going to go to the very first ones they see. So now if you get to page 2, I see a company right here called Core Chiropractic. Well, I'm pretty positive Core Chiropractic wants more business. They would probably like to be on page 1 of Google, but they probably don't know how. So what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to them and show them a system that can help them. You don't even have to do this for them. You don't have to rank for them. We're going to show them a software or a company or a program that can do it for them. That's all you're doing. You're connecting the dots. And for those of you who don't know what that's called, it's called affiliate marketing. It's what we talk about a lot on this channel. It's my favorite business model. So if you're liking this so far, please give me a like, subscribe to this video. And what we want to do is we want to bring this company more business. So how are we going to do that? Well, first you're going to want to reach out to the company, right? So there's plenty of ways to reach out to them. Go to the website and then look for a contact us button. Sometimes look at the top. I don't see an office info right there. You could go right here and you could click contact us. Click here to send an email, or here's a phone number. I would probably just like to send an email. So what I would do is I would click here. I don't want to open up my emails. I'd click there to send an email. And then ultimately, they look, even on the bottom right, they have a welcome live chat. I personally would like to send an email. And what I would do is be like, hey, my name is such and such, and I am a experienced digital marketer, yada, 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 and give them value. I noticed you're ranking on page 2. You may be losing audience, maybe losing traffic. Have you ever considered trying to get your page ranked to page 1? I'm not trying to sell you anything. Whatever you want to say, I don't want to give you a script because I don't want everybody to copy it. But whatever you want to say to entice them to click the link to the software you're going to show them. So now let's jump over to that link that you're going to provide them. You see right here, this is a website called SEMRush.com. This is one platform, everything you need to dominate your niche online. You can see right here, trusted by the world's largest brands, Tesla, Nike, Walmart, Forbes, Marriott, Kohl's, Quora, Booking, GE, all major companies use SEMRush to rank their pages onto page one. It is proven right here. And the good thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to do any customer service. You don't have to sell the product. You don't do anything. All you got to do is get this in front of somebody that can benefit from it. And every business can benefit from ranking their page on page one of Google. And you can see right down here what they'll get. And again, you don't have to tell them what they'll get. They'll come over here and they'll see what they'll get. And they get SEO, they get content marketing, they get more metrics and stuff like that. They'll be able to look at all their analytics, market research, advertising, discover how to reach more prospects while spending less. It talks about analyze Google Shopping ad campaigns, optimize your advertising spends, social media. You get so much stuff with this. So now you're wondering, how are you going to be able to bring value to the customer and make money, right? Ultimately, that's your goal. But just look real quick. 6 million marketing professionals have used SEMRush already. I think they've been out for over 12 years, 14 international awards, 45% Fortune 500 companies use SEMRush as their go-to marketing tool. But what you need to do, get past all of this fluff, is you just need to scroll to the bottom. And if you look right here where it says more tools on the bottom of the page, you'll see a tab called affiliate marketing right here. Click that tab. And right here, the SEMRush affiliate program, you can promote international award-winning tools with over 6 million users. And you earn $200 for every SEMRush subscription sale. So all you need is 5 businesses to say yes to you in a day, and you could be making $1,000 per day. And then even right here, up to $10 for every new trial activation. So let's go back real quick. Free trial. They get a 7-day free trial. And when they get this free trial through your affiliate link, which is a custom link that is given to you, you can receive up to $10 just for free trials, just for you to send free emails to people. It doesn't cost you any money to send an email to a company. All it's going to take is a little bit of hustle, a little bit of work, and a little bit of dedication, and you can start seeing an income from this. And as you saw, is what you'll do is you'll click join now. And you just join here, not a member, you sign up today. Super simple, put your username, make a password, and look right here, all of the countries this is available in. Like, this is almost like worldwide. Almost every country that is imaginable is available. See if your country is available. If so, continue to the next step. Once you get approved, you will be given an affiliate link. This affiliate link tracks back to you. It's a tracking ID. And what an affiliate link is, it's a website URL that tracks back to you. Thus, anytime somebody clicks this link, you will receive the commissions that are promised to you, which are $200 for a new sign up or up to $10 for a trial. So all you have to do is get that affiliate link in front of your audience. And again, to do that, just come over here, come to the contact us page, send them an email, say, hey, I'm Austin with the digital marketing. I'm a digital marketing expert. And I just noticed that you guys were on page 4 of the Google search results. And I'm not trying to sell you anything, but look, I have come across this software that has tremendously helped our business generate XYZ, more revenue, helped other businesses, or even if it's not your business, if it hasn't helped your business, don't lie. Be integrity, bring integrity and be like, this tool has helped hundreds, if not millions of other businesses be able to rank their pages close to page 1 on Google, thus resulting in more leads, more business, more traffic. And then it's not a lie, you got 6 million members. And then all you do is, if you're interested, take a look at the link I provided. And if you're skeptical on clicking that link, just respond to this email and maybe we could discuss things further. And then I can send it to you via over a Zoom call, whatever you need to do. But you could just start providing that link to them. And as they migrate to that link and they click it, they sign up for free trials, they sign up, you'll receive your commissions. And it's not just this one. Look, I could literally go back to Google and there's tons of them. I can literally click page after page after page. And even better, I could just really, look at this. I'll go to page 1 and I'll show you a trick. Right here, the maps, click view all. I can literally go right here and just shift click, control click, or command click, whatever kind of computer you have, open all of these websites, and then go to page 2. Open all of the websites, and then I could just sit there and email all of them. Copy and paste my emails. I recommend you getting a professional email from like G Suite. It's like 20 bucks a year. Don't quote me on the price, but it's not expensive. Invest in that, and then send professional emails out to them. Like, spend a couple hours, do this. Send 50, 100, 200 emails a day. Some people will respond, some will ignore, some will get a free trial, and some will sign up, and you'll start receiving commissions. So I really hope that video helped you. I know it was super short, super simple, straight to the point. But if it helped you, please subscribe, smash that like button, and comment below when you're gonna get started and what else you need to see, and I'll be more than happy to bring you a video on it. So as always, we'll see you in the next one.